Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Teaching Tips at Beginology. In this video I would like to share with you a very interesting point that a teacher in my workshop shared with me. Many of the activities what we do can be shared by different classes and a wide range of classes. What matters most is how we link it to a fact we are exploring or a phenomenon we are trying to teach. Sometimes the same activity can be used to teach class more than one subject, that is interdisciplinary. In this video I will share with you one such activities. Also I want to announce a competition this time. I have shared at the end of the video some activities, some way to use this. If you find some other innovative ways, please share with me. The best answer will get a prize worth of rupees 500. Now let's get started. So we need a cardboard box. We need 4 CDs. Any type you can recycle CDs. We need 1 rubber band, better variety, a little larger. We need 4 rubber eraser. So best eraser I found of Apsaras, but anything you take which is good quality, and you need to make a hole in this eraser. You can even use skewer stick to make a hole, because skewer sticks one side is pointed, so you can use this to make a hole. This is pointed, so it will be easier. After making hole, you can take 2 skewer stick, and skewer stick also known as paneer tikka stick in the market, because they fry paneer on that. They roast paneer in that. So here the other side is not pointed, so I am using pencil cutter to sharpen it. This is sharp enough. If it is not sharpening, you can use even cutter to sharpen further. So now we use some quick fix. You can put 2 drops on both sides and then press it on the center of the hole, or better you can give 2 drops on the CD in between hole where you can put this. You have to keep at least a minute or 2 to fix properly. Now, when you got this skewer stick pointed both sides, you pass one to near front of it and pass another one on the rear side. When you are passing this, I am going further about half an inch from here. When you are passing this, then you should see that more or less on the center of it you should have a cut. This is 13.2, so center is 6.7, somewhere here. From here now, when you are passing the skewer stick, remember there is a hole. This is very good. So this skewer stick should pass through this way. Okay, after you have made this, you just pass this the eraser's point should be in the outside. If not, it may touch the base of the car and resistance will stop the car. Now you will need one screw. Screw it somewhere here. You need one rubber band. Now this to put, you need to make a loop here. If by chance you don't get CD, nowadays CDs are becoming obsolete, you can simply use the cap of the cold drinks bottle. So when you are doing it, then you need not do eraser here. You simply, you simply make a small hole here and then it can work. So done. We have done the CD card. I am showing you how it will work. So it can work nicely on a smooth surface like this. So we just wind up this and release it. It will go fast. Do this way also. Remember which side. Suppose by error we do wind up this way, then you will find it is going to the rearer side. So remember, one side is front, one side is back. So we always, the car should go on the front side. So now the surface is smooth. You will find this is going in a very fine, very smooth way. If we give some cloth, then it will not move so fast. That they can do in class 7 or 8 where they understand friction. So this is just a bed cover. It's moving slowly, not that fast, because of the friction which is provided by the tablecloth. This is a plastic foot mat. In this it's just not going. Friction is so much. So it's going very slowly. Now that CD card is ready, we can use it for learning in many ways in different classes. In class 1 and 2, it can be an innovative way of showing the means of transport. In class 3, this can use as wheel and axle, how to use, how to get mechanical advantage. In class 4 and 5, it will show the force and friction. In class 9, this can be shown in different ways such as potential energy in the rubber band power card. So this has multiple use. I am sure you can find even more ways to use this activity, and if you do, please share with me in the comment section below and I will send you a prize worth of rupees 500 to the most innovative ideas. I will wait for 15 days from now on and then I will do that. Looking forward to your entries. Please subscribe, like and share my videos with all your teacher friends and students for a joyful learning. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.